SP Komakech Joel orukwebembera ebishorukare abarukurinda ebyo bahangwa ayorekero kwatwaho ahaba bakama bamataka abarukwikiriza abarukutimba omushenyi mu mugyera gwa Rwizi ngo nagwe kiragiro nikibakwata.
Sand mining is a criminal activity. We are going first to go to that area to take, if all of us can be taken, that can be also okay. And I want to assure you, actually, many of us who are seated here can be taken to court.
Izoba no kugamba n'abantu bakatojo abakutimba omushenyi kureba nkuba sisire kara of course yamizi kurugera kara yamizi agashimira kuba gatine kara konkata mizi gabire brown kurugera amirime y'abakure kutimba omushenyi kuhinga hihi n'emyegego yamizi bugambirwa butimu yabo kurinda ebyo bahangwa babiri nbabugana bakama bamataka n'abarukutimba omushenyi omugombora ya Kabale omu district ya Mbarara.
You are another group of people who can be taken to court and you will never defend yourself. Those who claim they have land going to the river Rwizi. You have been seeing people going through your land. You have never done anything. You have not reported. I don't know how you are going to defend yourself in court that you did not work together with them to commit that crime.
Abokwa ni manya ni mwete mu kuchenda aro bakama bita kabatukirire bakutugambira ho nashi tumuzibira aba bantu kuraba ha kuza kwakira omushenyi konka kandi nke Obwegyese kuko nabagambira twabantu kwate motoka twika hari around about baba bakozire ki baba gambire
atongera amarakato ahari Abaana n'aba Minister of Water abijaha hari Rwizi kuzubira muze go kutimba omushenyi mu Rwizi kandi netontukirizana nabo ngo barakwate abo kuba tosire ntikisinchiko ntibagambira ngo nomuzembi kandi bitsira amezi
bo bakama bamatakano bajangu abarukutimba omushenyi myanya yabo tinzarwa zauko nuko kushaba byo kwerinda okubaho bukumi aba bahigwa kwekoramwe kigombe cywere government okubamanya ekabakwatiraho bintu bitaro bimwe na bimwe gasha ko Michael tumwakire.